Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use voice message transcript feature on WhatsApp. So let's start. Well, first you have to activate the feature and you first have to go to the three dots on the top right corner. Then let's go to settings. Here on settings, let's go to chats and then chat settings and have this option that says voice message transcript. You have to activate, then choose your language, and you have to select the language that most voice message you receive. In this case, you select one, set up, and when you set up, you will activate this. Then when you finish activate it, you have to back to your message, and then here on the message, well, you press the voice message, and on the three dots on the top right corner have to appear the option transcript. My case doesn't appear because I have encrypt chat, but in your case, if you don't have encrypt chat, here will appear transcript the message. That's how it works. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.